Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we're going to draw and color Cinderella with her glass slipper.
Let's start drawing.
First, let's draw Cinderella. I start with her eyes and eyebrows. Then I draw her nose and her beautiful lips. Then I draw the shape of her face. Now let's draw her hair. I like this! Then I draw her earrings. I continue with her neck and her necklace. Then finally, I draw her shoulders. She is wearing her princess dress. Okay, now let's draw one of her glass slippers next to it. I draw a heart shape that is on the front of the shoe. Then I draw the rest with an amazing high heel. Very nice!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
I color Cinderella's skin with cream. I color her eyes with blue. For her lips, I use this marker. Brown. I paint her blonde hair with this very yellow marker. Then I use this blue marker for her tiara and her earrings. I color her dress with 2 different shades of blue. It looks amazing! For her glass slippers, I use these blue markers. I like it!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.